Yes, once again, this is B1 lesson 35. We're going to be looking at hard beta and is time. Hard beta and is time, they are two key important or key things that we use in English. Let's first see the meaning of hard beta. Hard beta is used to give strong advice or a warning to someone. When you want to give a strong advice, remember when you're just giving advice or recommendation, we use should as just an obligation, but not a strong obligation. And now this time, when we are giving a strong advice, or when we want to give you a warning that there is a consequence for this, we use had better. What does it often mean? It often means something is important or something bad may happen if we don't do it. So like there's someone that if you don't do this, something bad is gonna happen. Or this is very important, just do it. Example, you had better study for the test. Like at this time, you who is listening to me, I can say you had better learn English frequently. Why do I say that? It means like if you don't study English frequently, you will, or if you don't practice English frequently, you will not make quite easy improvement. You will improve, but at a low pace. So when I say you had better study for the test, it means like this is something really important and necessary to be done. Or if you don't do that, something bad may happen. Let's see the structure of had better. When we are using had better, we use subject had better plus V1. Remember it's a V1, not any verb, just V1. Use the base form only. Use had, not have. Don't say you have better, no. Had better. It can be used for present or future meaning. You can use had better when you are talking about the present. You can use had better when you are talking about the future thing. You had better leave now. It means like you are using it in a present thing, in the present tense, present meaning. You had better leave now. It means like it is important for you to leave now. Meaning that if you don't leave now, something bad may happen. She had better see a doctor. This is for a future meaning. You are giving a strong advice, but for a future meaning. You're not using it in terms of the present, but you're using it in terms of the future. Let's see the negative form of had better. When we say a negative form of had better, we can say had better not V1. You had better not be late. He had better not forget his passport. He had better not forget his passport. You had better not be late. The negative just use had better not. Had better not, then you add V1. Now let's go to the second phrase, which was it's time. When I say it's time is used to say that something should happen now. I can use it's time when I want to mean something should happen now. Or I can use it's time to say that something is late or it's overdue. When something is overdue or when something is late, we can use it's time. It often shows impatience or expectations. When it is we're going to see where do we use is time for the impatience and where do we use is time for expectation. I can say it's time to start the meeting. That's an expectation. It's time to start the meeting. Means like something should happen now. The structure of is time. I have two structures. The first structure I can use say is time plus 2 plus V1. The second time, the second structure I can say is time plus subject plus past simple. When I say this past simple, I mean V2, not V1. V2 this time. I can say it's time to go home. This is the first meaning that this is something which should be done now. It is an expectation that something should be done now. The second I can say it's time you went home. It's time you went home. This is the situation where I say that we can use it's time for impatience. Mean like it's late or it is an overdue. Meaning that we are late to do this. So I'm no longer going to wait. This past form, the past simple that we use, it shows that the action is late. Doesn't mean that the action was completed. No. It just shows that the action is late. I remember one time when I was teaching this in class, my students said that when we use this past simple, does that mean that the action was already complete or completed in the past? Then I just got an idea of putting the explanation here so that those who are following online can easily understand the use of this past simple and the meaning of this past simple. And he also said that, does this mean that we can use past simple in the present? That was quite interesting question. But when I say it's time to go home, means like it should be done now. It is a expectation that I have. But when I say it's time you went home, this means that it's impatience. Means like we are too late for this thing, so I can't wait any longer. Let's see the comparison between had better and is time. Had better is a strong advice or warning, and it focuses on consequence. It just focuses on the consequences of not doing the action. But is time means like something should happen now and focus on lateness or expectation of something. Let's fill in the blanks here. You're going to choose had better or is time. You dash dash see a doctor. Dash dash to leave now. He dash dash not forget his keys. Dash dash we start the lesson. She dash dash call her parents. Remember, I told you had better has only one structure. It is subject plus had better plus V1. And when we go into the negative, subject plus had better not plus V1. But when we go to the second phrase, which is time, it has two structures. The first structure is time plus 2 plus V1. The second structure we use is time plus subject plus past simple. Let's proceed with completing the sentences correctly. You had better dash dash harder. Is time dash dash home. She had better not dash dash late. Is time we dash dash the project. He had better dash dash. Choose the correct structure. Dash dash you finished your work. She dash dash take a break. Dash dash to clean the house. They dash dash not waste time. Dash dash we discussed the problem. Again complete the sentences. You had better dash dash now. Is time dash dash the meeting. He had better not dash dash the rules. Is time she dash dash more responsibility. We had better dash dash early. Choose the correct option. You dash dash hurry up. Is time dash dash for school. She had better not the exam. Is time we dash dash a decision. He had better dash dash the truth. See you in the next lesson. Ciao ciao.